Hey ladies, it's Dr. P again. It is week 2 of EDCI 704, and I know it's May 26th, 27th. You are all in schools, and I know how crazy school is right now. Either EOG, EOC testing's going on, something's happening in your school, no matter what calendar you're on, and things are probably hopping, and you're very busy. Thank you for taking some time for your graduate work in the midst of all that. I've just completed reading all of the week 1 posts that you've put up. I'm real impressed, and thank you for all the reading and responding that you needed to do. A whole lot of this course is front loaded in the first month while you're still crunched and trying to finish school, but well, after that time, you'll be able to focus more on the big picture. And at any rate, do you need to, how much time do you need to spend with all of the readings and all the content here? You need to be aware of it. You need to be proficient in it. You need to at least have a passing knowledge of all of the statistics and the descriptive. And now, here's the big picture. You will not be a statistician when you leave my class this summer. I hope that you're going to be a good consumer of statistics. I hope that you can sit in a leadership chair in a school, in a district, and use data knowledgeably, lead data teams wisely, and be a good consumer of statistics. And then you need to learn and understand enough statistics to be able to answer your own research question well. Identifying and aligning the research question with the research methodology, qual quant to start off, and then descriptive or inferential types of statistics. You need to be familiar enough with that lingo to know how to answer your research question. That's the big deal. Be a good consumer of statistics and know enough about it to be able to write a good dissertation. In this case, a good chapter 3, the methodology portion that will align with chapter 1, your research questions. Okay. I hope that's starting to make sense. And I'll share lots of handouts with you the first time that we meet, and I'll try to give you supplements and things that will help along with all of the readings and the PowerPoints and the stuff that you're going through right now. Keep up with it the best that you can. I don't know what the testing culture is like at your school. Can you put your test administrator's manual on top of the research on top of your Erdan and take it into the class? Read when you can. Do you need to do all of this big chill stuff? I've hidden that. I'm going to do it week 1 when we meet together. Deming and continuous improvement. I love Edwards Deming, and the quality stuff hit me at a time when I was becoming an assistant principal and principal, and it actually works in schools. If you can get a sustained group of leaders on this continuous improvement path in a school or district, you can show measured change. You can improve. It's not rocket science, but we'll talk about leadership for continuous improvement our first weekend that we're together, and we'll do some qualitative work on the big chill. I do urge you to watch this program evaluation webinar. It is a 1 hour that you need to devote to it. It's taking a healthcare model and going through the process and explaining it. It's very good and worth an hour. Resources to try to help you along with your PEB. Erdan, again, what's the big picture here? I need for you to understand measures of central tendency enough to be able to knowledgeably talk about the type of research that you want to do. So we will do a brief exercise in central tendency, and who is it? Caitlin's the math teacher. She's going to have to keep me honest on this stuff, and maybe she can help us all understand how measures of central tendency, bell curves, and mean, median, mode help us to understand the statistics that we'll look at. So be cognizant and be aware of this lingo enough that you can answer your questions. And again, look at statistics, look at data, look at student achievement data and surveys and parent data, and be able to knowledgeably discuss it. Well, There's a bulge there in that fourth quartile. I wonder what that means. Let's analyze and try to get to a root cause for that anomaly. That's your level of understanding of data that's needed for success in this class. And on that data enhanced leadership dialogue, review the book, ask some questions, have a little dialogue there, please, and oops, yeah, respond please about PE resources and statistics. So a lot to read and write, and that's week 2. I will try to get on this and have something loaded by Tuesday nights for you to provide direction for next week, but we have a couple more weeks, and then we'll be meeting for the first time face to face again. I look forward to seeing you then, and hope that you can hang on and survive the next couple of busy weeks at school. Thank you.